Hello. This is Els coming from Bemis Crafty Corner. And I did it. I got the grab bags. I went out to the shop and I pulled all of the stuff that's been sitting out there in the tub that hasn't been paid for over 4 weeks. And I brought it all in. And some of this stuff is as back as far as my countdown sale in November. So I brought all these in. Let me show you a little bit. So let's go. Let's start at the bottom. So this is grab bag number 5. Now, all of these are listed in the store, and the price that I'm about to tell you does not, no, include shipping. But you know me, shipping is going to be, $3-4 bucks. So this is the first one. This one has a paper pack in it, like a scrapbooking paper pack in it. I know that. This one is $12 for that one. Number 4 is this one right here. Kind of a big package. This was also part of the countdown sale. $7 for grab bag number 4. Grab bag number 3 is this one right here. This one's $9. Has something round in it. Could be wallpaper. Who knows? I roll stuff up all the time. And this one's kind of flexible. I think that there might be some stencils in that one. Number 2 is this one right here. To be honest, I do not remember this. Number 3 is $9. Okay. Number 2, I honestly do not remember what's in this package. There's a brief kind of a rough description in the listing. So this one is number 2. It's $10, and the most expensive is this one right here. This one was sold recently. There is an auction item in here. Now, I'm going to explain this. This one is $25. It is the most expensive one I have, but the reason is because it has an auction item in it, and almost everything in here is vintage. Okay? So this was a sale from last month. It's been about 4 weeks since that sale. Almost 4 weeks, and I have instant messaged, emailed, and PayPal invoiced, which I don't do, the person that purchased this, and they have not responded. So I am going to put this up. This is going to be a $25 buy right here. It was a $33 buy with shipping and and then shipping on top of it. So for 25 bucks, you're saving $8 on it. I'm going to go ahead and put that up there. That is grab bag number 1. Now, I've also listed a few other things in the shop. I just wanted to let you guys know. First, this is back. Hey, quick. Okay. These are back. It took me a while. I did not get the quality that I wanted. I ordered these twice. Did not get the quality that I wanted, so I refused to put them in the shop. But I went ahead and got a hold of my supplier and said, hey, dude, what? And he went, I'm sorry. And so I ordered some more of these, and he sent me twice what I ordered. So, because he screwed up the first one. So I have a whole bunch of those little teeny mini fairy cards that everybody loves back in the shop, guys. These are back, okay? So if you didn't get them the last time and they sold out on you, and I know they did the last 2 times, just, pop in there. I'm going to put a description for all these items below, so you'll have a direct link. Okay, the next thing is, we all do the Alice in Wonderland stamps. You guys have really been great with those. Well, since those were so fantastic, I thought, let's do Wizard of Oz. So I got some Wizard of Oz stamps for you, and these are the mini stamps, Wizard of Oz. They are, about 3/4 of an inch wide and about 7/8 of an inch tall. There's 20 on a sheet, 4 sheets in each set, so you get 80 stickers in there, 80 of these little stamps. Great for making mini postage stamps. There's a quick view of, all of the stickers and stuff that are in there. Of course, you guys can't see that, but you can on the website, so check out the Etsy shop for those. I'll have the listing for that as well. The next thing that I have in is this right here. These are metal tags. Great for mixed media. Fantastic for, journals and things like that. This would look great on a journal cover. But there's 4 tags in each pack. These are in the shop as well. Just put metal tag in or, follow the link. And then the other thing that I recently put in are these right here. And I only put in 6 packs. But if I sell out of them, it's okay. I have more. I want to show these to you guys because, oh my God. These are from India, and they are botanicals, dried botanicals, okay? Let me show these to you. First off, they come in 4 colors. And they are varied sizes, all right? I'm going to grab a piece of paper here so we can all see this really good. So the first one is this like burgundy red. Look at that. How gorgeous is that, right? The next one is this like hunter green color. Look at gorgeous, right? And then look at that purple. Guys, I'm telling you, this matches Amy's current paper pack. Gorgeous. So if you buy paper from Hags Hollow, this is going to match it perfectly. And it comes in this like off-white cream color. Now, there are 5 of each of these. 5 of each color. I've lost one. Can't believe I put it down and lost one. See how I am? Let me grab another one. All right, so there's 5 of each color. So that's 20 pieces in each pack. Mod Podge. You know, just layer this. Whatever you want to do with it. Beautiful colors. I believe red is one of the colors that Amy's coming out with next, and green I know was not that long ago. Some of them do have this like foots on them. This is just part of the dyeing process, so you just kind of take it off, no problem. They all vary in size, so you're going to get an assortment of sizes in each pack. You're going to get 5 of each color, so 20 in a pack. Those are going to be in the shop as well. And that's it, guys. That's all I have for you today. That's everything that I've listed or relisted in the shop and said. If you haven't done so already, hit the red button for me, like me, ring the bell, and share me with all your friends. Because I got tags and botanicals and grab bags and little fairies and the Wizard of Oz and all kinds of stuff. All the links in the description below, guys. Bye-bye.